Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lydia Megison, and if it's the first time you are seeing this beautiful, half ashy beautiful face, you're welcome to my channel. Subscribe, like, share, comment, all that good stuff. Shower me with your love. Your girl wants some love. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to create this I'm going to be teaching you to create beautiful winged liner. So let's do this. So I have my product here, my Zaron gel liner in Jazz 01, and the tiniest brush I could find right now, just this brush. So we're going to be doing a liner. Let's start. So just opening the product and getting some of it. It's very creamy, so what you want to do is just take little bits and just keep the reserve on the side. Just keep dabbing until you get products on the back and the front. That's what I do. So moving on, I have to use a mirror, so I'm just going to come closer a bit and just start. So I like to come under here. This is my second my down lead here. What I call it is down lead. Just like to come there and just draw a straight line. Then connect it to the top part. That's what I do to get a wing liner. You can see how easy it is. Then I start to draw from the front. I don't know, some people do their front first, but I do my back first. So I start to draw from the front. I like it to be as close to my lashes as possible because I don't like it to be all over the place. Then you just start to increase it a bit and just make your lashes dark as you go, because you don't want your lashes looking all that. And there you go, you have a perfect wing liner. I also like to do the down part. Just put it in my eye like so. Just keep on going until I get, you see, I didn't even have to add products or anything like that. Just doing the down part. And there you go, there you have it. We have a perfect wing liner. Let's do the second part together. Product back and front, and I'm just making the brush straight, and we're just going to do the same thing for this eye. Just trying to look at it so I can know the measurements. Then we go down again. I think that should be enough. And just connect it to the top part. I'm just showing you guys how I do my brows, no edits or anything, so there'll be no much edits in this video. So I'm just filling up the sparse part. Let's hope I'm as close as possible to you guys. So I'm just doing the top part. You want to make your eyes as dark as possible, so you're just filling out a straight line and making it dark. Yes, this is what I do, this is what I do, this is what I do. So you see, so you compare them and just do the same thing. So I'm doing the down part now. Just be careful not to tear up. I'm very comfortable doing this, so you just want to keep, I like my eyes to be as dark as possible. So guys, so we've done our wing liner, and I'm just going to complete the rest of my makeup and come back here to show you guys how it looks with makeup and lashes on. I hope you guys can see the wing liner with my makeup on, my full face makeup, and I hope you guys love it because I usually don't normally do wing liner, but I just said that I should do it for the sake of this video so that you guys can learn a thing or two. So if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. You can send me a DM on Instagram and all of that good stuff. So you can just like share my video, like my video please, because I know that I dropped gems in this video, so you guys should serve me gems back as it should be. So we've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys love it. Bye.